How to use an electronic items interface on EDS, EBSCO Discovery Service. Let's start at the Manuel Library website. Simply type in your search in the search bar and click Search to get started. From the results page, you can see that the results have options to get an electronic full-text version of the item, and we also have physical copies. Sometimes getting the electronic version can take more steps. In this example, you need only click on PDF full text or EPUB full text, and you'll get access. Once you click on an item, you can see its detailed record. It will give you good information and features. The features under Tools include Save to Google Drive, Add to Folder, Email the record, Print the record, Cite the item, a permalink to the record, and more. Now, let's look at what a full-text electronic item will look like and the features you can use to utilize the resource best. First, we will look at an ebook. On the left side of the interface, you will see this section. It allows you to do a couple of things. The one we see here is called Contents. It gives you a short record, title, author, date, and a link to a detailed record. You can also email, print, or save 100 pages for this ebook. There is a table of contents that you can leaf through. When you click on the chapter titles, it will jump to that section in the ebook for you. Another tab of this is the Search Within section. In this section, you can search within the item to find keyword matches in the book. All you need to do is type the search terms in the search bar. In this example, I have done a search for angel, and it found 255 instances of it in the ebook. You can click on the page to jump right to it. The final tab is the My Notes section. This feature will only be available if you have a free EBSCO account. You can sign up for an account fairly easily. Go to Sign In and you will see a link to create a free account. If you have a free account, you can use this tab to take notes while you are using the resource. You can even print the list when you are done if you want. You will need to follow the directions to be able to save the notes you make here by signing into your EBSCO account. Now, let's look at the top of the page. You'll see this toolbar with many options. There's a dictionary to use, options to export, share, or save to Google Drive or as a PDF. Save to a folder through EBSCO, email pages, print pages, cite the item, and utilize a permalink to the item. Finally, this bottom bar has some small but convenient features. You can move from page to page with the arrows or type in the box in between the arrows what page you want to go to. You can use the minus and plus buttons to zoom in and out. The last three icons represent options to make the resource fit page width, fit page, and view full screen, respectively. Now, let's look at an articles interface. There will be some similarities, but as you can see, the options don't quite look the same. Here's the sidebar for the article. You can click here to see the detailed record. There is a contents list as well. The contents bar has clickable links to the different articles within the issue. It also shows you the illustrations from the issue and allows you to choose another issue to look at. You can also see a basic HTML full text version of this article. Let's look at the toolbar at the top of the article. You can zoom in and out, use arrows to flip the page or input a page number, and find words or phrases within the article. So as you can see, this is somewhat similar to the ebook, but at the same time, the features are in different places and look different as well. On the right side of the page, you will see the remaining options on the top toolbar, as well as the options list from the rightmost toolbar. These top toolbar options are for printing, downloading, bookmarking through a free EBSCO account, and other preferences. The option on this rightmost toolbar are Add to Google Drive, Print, Email, Add to Folder through an EBSCO account, Cite, Export, Permalink to the article, and Share. Thank you for watching the Manuel Library's tutorial on how to use an electronic items interface on EDS. We hope this information was helpful to you. You might want to know more about how to search in the collections EDS, so check out our other videos. If you need any more help or have any questions, please feel free to email us at library@piedmontu.edu or call us at 336-714-7894.